Drones are precision tools for applications in industry, construction, agriculture, forestry management, or rescue services. Their benefits, however, only come into play when they operate beyond the operator's line of sight. Our technology makes this a reality. The principle is simple and proven. Drones become flying smartphones. With special LTE transponders and SIM cards, they connect to Deutsche Telekom's mobile network and transmit their position. These data are sent to DFS and displayed in a UAS traffic management system. This system, called UTM, processes the position of all drones in real time. It forecasts their routes, displays the surrounding air situation, and warns the remote pilots of potential conflicts. The UTM furthermore blocks drones from flying into certain types of airspace. Airports, for example. The combination of mobile network and UTM opens up completely new uses for drones. They could, for example, check power lines and pipelines instead of helicopters. This would be kinder to the environment, quieter, and more cost-efficient. Deutsche Telekom's mobile network provides complete coverage. Its range exceeds any conventional remote control technology. Thanks to a backup system, it receives signals from small airplanes and helicopters, making it even safer. When linked up to the UTM system, the mobile network allows pilots to locate their drones, to control them, and to transmit video and images in real time. To ensure flight safety, a procedure needs to be in place before takeoff. The remote pilot registers in the UTM and submits the desired route. The UTM checks the airspace and, if not occupied, clears the mission. The drone flies along the planned route, being tracked in real time through its position data. The UTM can also send drone flight data to other parties, such as air traffic controllers at DFS, public authorities such as the police, or other remote pilots. Other drone detection systems, such as around airports, can be connected through an interface. The resulting flow of information reveals which drones are registered in the UTM and which ones are flying without identification. As a result, the UTM creates a complete air situation display. Finally, the flight ends as easily as it began. After landing, the pilot logs out of the UTM and reviews the flight data using the system. One system, many advantages. The UTM from DFS and Deutsche Telekom.